So if you want to keep yourself safe, spotter arms are huge when it comes to lifting heavy. Great addition to any type of racking system. These spotter arms from PRx are definitely solidly built and ready to keep you safe. So in this video, we're going to open them up, take a look at them, see how they get installed on the rack, and then see how the storage gets installed so that you can store them away nice and neat. Hey, my name is Mike Behrens, and I have been an independent professional wrestler for over 20 years. I started building a home gym 10 years ago, but today I'm in my parents' garage putting together their home gym. So one big piece of this is my dad's gonna be using this gym a lot of times by himself, and so having some spotter arms in place is gonna be a big deal to make sure that he stays safe. So let's take a look at them. Okay, so let's get the spotter arms opened up. Oh, those are nice. Got the PRx branding on it right here. Very cool. And the other side. All right. So the spotter arm looks pretty cool. The PRx logo there, you can see that. That looks pretty sharp. There you go. Now you can see it much better. And then it just attaches to the rack like a J hook. We're going to put it in here. Slide right in. Now you got plenty of support to keep you from killing yourself if you drop the weight. Install the other side. Super easy to adjust. So these spotter arms are going to be great because they're going to keep my dad from getting crushed, and that makes me happy to know because the only other person here with him usually is my mom, and I doubt she's going to be picking up a ton of weight if he puts too much on the bar. Plus they kind of look cool. What's cool about PRx is they create a lot of their own storage pieces, so you can hang it on the wall and store it away when you're not using it because you don't need it here all the time. And if you fold it up, you don't want to have the big spotter arm sticking out, so it's nice to store it away and keep it flat and organized on the wall. So we're going to install those so that they're stored away nice and neat. So the spotter arm storage comes in two boxes. There is the actual hardware and then a backing for it to keep it from banging up your wall. So the hardware, pretty simple hardware, just got a frame so you can put in the J-hooks, I'm assuming. How you install those, take a look at that. There's two ways to install it. You can install it on a single stud in the middle, or if you have 16-inch studs, you can put one bolt on each side. This says it is a spotter arm storage backer. Well, that's kind of cool. Oh, that's cool. Can't see it very well here. So the spotter arm storage backer is gray to match the uprights and actually looks pretty cool. So for the spotter arm storage, we're gonna have to be creative with where we put it because we don't have as much room in here as we'd like. And for the installation of the spotter arm, it has two options. You can do a single stud version or you can do a double stud version if they're 16 on center. These are 16 on center, so I think that's what we'll do. And they send some drywall mollies for it, but we won't need those because this is in plywood or OSB. So this installation is pretty straightforward. You just screw it in and you're good to go. So I looked up how to store the spotter arms, and the backing apparently is just for aesthetics. And so I appreciate aesthetics. It's gonna look good with the gray. So we're gonna go ahead and install that as well. Now we just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. So I think for space saving purposes, we'll just install it right above the bench. So to install it, it's just a couple lag bolts and some washers. Don't forget your washers. Okay, that was pretty easy to install. They gave you two other screws once you get the lag bolts in, some drywall screws so you can get it into the drywall, but we don't need to use those. We'll just go right into the OSB. Again, they sent you washers. Don't forget those. Just a Phillips head drywall screw. Okay, all done with that. So let's store away the spotter arms. There's one. All right, so my initial review on the Spotter Arms is they are pretty legit, pretty sturdy. Definitely gonna be a good addition to the rack and the bench to keep you safe. And with this cool storage, it actually looks pretty neat and keeps it stored away. So when you put the whole thing, it's all still flat against the wall. Nice little organization system. So if you wanna check these out, check the link in the description. Stay tuned to the channel for more on PRx, more videos, updated reviews and things, and how you can perform better, recover faster, and live healthier. I'll see you in the next video. Looks cool. Almost looks like something out of Star Wars.